I'm Beth Wood, I'm a CPA, and I'm currently serving as North Carolina's State Auditor. I want to spend just a couple of minutes to tell you about what it is the Office of the State Auditor does, how critical this office is to you and I as citizens of North Carolina. Many citizens aren't aware of the work that we perform. In fact, a significant number actually think that we audit your tax returns. The responsibilities for this office are much different than that. Last year, it cost we, the citizens of North Carolina, $19 billion, and that's billion with a B, dollars to run our great state. $10 billion of that came in state income taxes that you and I pay. Another $5 billion came into the state in sales taxes that we pay every time we make a purchase. And if you own your own business, another $1 billion comes into the state to run our state in corporate taxes. Additionally, the state receives another $19 billion in federal grants. The Office of the State Auditor is charged with making sure that those monies are properly accounted for, that they are properly reported, that we identify wasteful spending, duplication of effort, that fraud associated with state and federal dollars is identified, and to ensure that assets of the state of North Carolina are protected. We audit state agencies, universities, community colleges, and clerks of court. We perform financial statement audits, which is basically looking at the financial statements and making sure or ensuring that the numbers on those financial statements and the notes that support those numbers are fairly stated. We audit the federal grant dollars that the state receives and report back to the federal government how the state of North Carolina administered their programs. We do performance audits, which is to look at how the state spent your tax dollars. Did we duplicate efforts? Was there wasteful spending? Were we utilizing the resources that we purchased with your tax dollars appropriately? And finally, we perform investigations of alleged fraud or abuse in state and federal monies. The Office of the State Auditor is critical to you and I as citizens of North Carolina. It's important that you have the person with the knowledge, the skills, and the experience serving as your state auditor. After all, it's our tax dollars being used to run this great state. I am Beth Wood, I am a CPA, and I'm asking for your vote on November 6th. Thank you for visiting my website.